Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Davis, and we have a technology Padlet that allows you to ask questions when you're having issues with your technology. The first step when you use the link on Google Classroom is going to be setting up a Padlet account. So up in the browser here, we would put padlet.com, Padlet.com, and hopefully it will bring you to this login screen. Most of the time when you're using technology, the easiest method is to click Login with Google. However, down at the bottom, you can also use your school email account, so number, last name, first initial, middle initial, at harpercreek.net, and then click your password in there with an HC. Most of you will be a capital HC, and the newer Harper Creek students will be a lowercase hc followed by the 6-digit number. So you can do it both of those ways. I'm going to click Login with Google and choose my account. And you may have to use the link from Google Classroom because this will not show up in your Padlets. But after you've created the account, then you can go to the Google Classroom assignment and click on the Padlet link, and it should bring you here to this troubleshooting in the virtual classroom Padlet. So the cool thing about this is not only can your teachers respond to your technology questions, but other students can view your questions, and maybe they have the same question and they'll read yours and find the answer, and they don't even have to type their question in. Another really neat feature to this is that students can respond to your question as well. So maybe the teacher hasn't seen the message just yet, and a student has an awesome tutorial video or some sort of advice on helping you. They too can respond. So down here you have a little plus sign and it says double click anywhere, drag files in, paste from clipboard, or click here to post. So if there was a video tutorial, you'll copy the URL or the link and you can respond to somebody's post. So let's say I said my problem was with Outlook email and I cannot open my email. Please. And then I click off and it will save my note. And then someone else comes in and they may say, have you tried the right URL? Okay, so this is the correct link for email. But I wasn't very specific in my my problem, so they're just guessing that I had the wrong email link to even get in and put my username and password. So maybe I go in and I edit my original post. I have the link. I am just unable to log in. So then another student comes in and says, well, here's a really neat video tutorial about accessing your school email, which is on our class website. And so they say, here is a video tutorial. Let me know if you have more questions. And then you hit copy paste and put that in there. So that's a pretty neat feature, but what I missed is I want to always start, click edit. I always want to start with my name, or put it at the end if you have to, but make sure that you put your name in there.